One, two, three, four. Hello guys, today's videos guys, we're going to eat Jadan barbecue.
Filipino barbecue.
Ayan. So today is my first time to mukbang this guys. So we're going to eat a barbecue like that. See, wow, Adidas
Chicken head.
and also they will call this one Betamax. Ayan, dugo. And then also we're having also chicken feet. Quick.
Bakit Adidas mo?
Adidas chicken feet. And then we also having sausawan na suka na maraming onions. Ayan. So, tara na guys. Let's eat mukbang na. It's my first time. Actually, it's my daughter. I'm gonna collab with my daughter today. Okay. Now, to all my subscribers, as you can see, my pretty baby. Ayan. So, di na ako makapaghintay. Kainan na. Kakain na kami. Load lang kayo, ha? Ayan, na. Ako kapag sarap. Ayan. Asaw-asaw natin. Naku, Diyos ko po. Wow. Sarap. Sarap. Ang lambok. Yung sarap ng pagkaluto nito. Ha? Ito guys, itong barbecue na to, worth of 530. So, I'm going to enjoy to finish all this one. Yan. Ang sarap ng sausawan niya guys. Yung suka, ang daming mga sibuyas, tapos may sili, medyo manghang. At saka medyo matamis-tamis. Ito naman yung yung part na yung medyo mataba-taba. Sarap niya guys. Ayan. Ramta. Sauce ramta. We're speaking my own language. Ayan. Tatawa na lang yung anak ko guys. Ayan. My daughter said mabaim. In Tagalog, nahiya siya. In English, very shy. Yeah. Parang sarap niya. Wow. So, pagitna natin yung sausawan para mas masarap. Ayan. Sarap, maanghang. Yummy. Diba ganda ng anak ko na? For the first time, guys, sinama ko na yung anak ko sa pag-vlog. Ayan. Hiya-hiya lang pala siya. Baka susunod. Baka siya na yung mag-vlog mo. Sarap, diba? Sarap. Natin yan. Chicken head. Ayan. Sarap ng lambok. Yung anak ko isa pa lang nakain. Sobrang ako yung matakaw. Hindi ko alam kung nahihayin siya. Kung busog na ba siya.
Labas ko na nga.
Sarap. Sarap na ito. Sarap. Sarap dito, bala. Lipat natin. Yan. Yan. feeling mo? Fantastic. Go.
First time ko lang muntik ang Betamax.
Ay, sabi ng anak ko, first time daw niya kumain ng Betamax. Actually, also, for me, it's my first time to eat this Betamax. And fairness, guys, napakasarap, napakalambot, ang sarap ng pagkaluto. Ayan. Sarap, diba?
Ano ba?
Diba? Pag ganyan lasa, dugo pa rin, pero masarap. Masarap yun. Sarap. Sarap. Yummy. Eto naman, so we're going to try the Adidas is chicken feet. Oh, chicken feet. Oh, look at the chicken feet. Oh, F-U-C-K. Sarap. Sarap. Mamusok. Sarap niya. Isa.
Napayag. Napayag.
No,
Napayag
isa.
baboy. Dapat pa lang.
No, this one is isaw, I think.
Ano ma? Tani. Chicken intestine.
Sarap. Sarap. Sarap yung sawsawan. No, pig intestine. This one, guys, is pig intestine. Kumbaga, isaw ng pig. Sabi guys. Busog na ako. Pero di ko ata kaya. Pero sarap.
Sweet and savory.
Ha?
Sweet and savory.
Ayan. Ito na natira.
Wala ka man. Ito may basta ko na.
Ano sa mga?
Na? Ako.
Sabi na ako, hindi daw yung mahubos. Dami. Kakatamad yan. Pero ang sarap na guys, yung turn na. Ayan. Tama. So, this is it guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos guys. Then, kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, just click the subscribe and click the bell button down there below. And you're always updated for all my new videos that I'm going to upload here in my channel. Okay? So, thank you so much. See you for my next video again. But I think that I can't collab my daughter for the next other day because I'm going back to Singapore tomorrow night. I'll see ya. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.